It's the Betway Premiership match day results. Richards Bay beating Chippa United 1-0 and Orlando Pirates scraping their second win of the season. Two wins, two losses for the Buccaneers, beating Orbit College 1-0. Orbit College proving to be no pushovers there, giving Pirates the run of their money. A great game from their side. Not a good game from Pirates, but they will take a win. TS Galaxy beat Siwelele 2-0. Hey, Siwelele, they are slowly becoming whooping boys. And Stellenbosch beat Marumo Gallants 1-0. And Durban City dropped points. Yeah, because, they were hanging up there at the top together with Chiefs, Sikukune, dropping points, drawing at Polokwane City. Let's look at the league log. You see what I mean? Chippa United languishing there at the bottom so far. I think it's going to remain like this until another Pirates pushing up to the top 8. When I say top 8,